Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi, I am Akanksha and you are watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.
Let's start. Groom and fill your brows with an eyebrow pencil. Then precisely conceal the area around the brows to make them pop. Set the eyelid base by applying concealer evenly. Blend well. Now take a brown shadow and add it on the crease. Now apply a dark brown shadow on the outer corner of your eye and crease precisely. Now blend it inwards along the crease line. Do the same on the other eye as well. Now use a light brown shadow to blend the blur harsh lines. Using a flat brush, cut your crease. Extend the cut crease with more concealer using a flat brush. Now repeat the same on the other eye. Define the cut crease with a dark brown shadow. You can emphasize it a little more with this brown. Use a white shade to further define the color. Now you can again go back with brown and blend the edges. Using a flat angle brush, line the upper lash line with a brown shadow. Smoke it out gently. Then repeat the same on the lower lash line as well. Then add a nude shade on your waterline. Curl your lashes and add falsies. Apply the mascara and blend your falsies and your real lashes together. Next, just take a brown shade and mix your nose contour with the eye just to add a little more structure to the face. And yeah, that's it. It's done.